Setting up a persuasive autoresponder series. Step 1 for capturing leads is to offer something that can't be found anywhere else. The second step is to nurture your audience to convert them into repeating customers. You've gotten this far into this course, so you already know that you do it by capturing their email addresses and keeping them engaged. How do you keep them engaged, though? The easiest solution is to always stay alert, responsive, keep track of what your audience is doing, and communicate with your members accordingly. That is great and exactly what you should totally aim for. But think about it for a second. Your goal is to have as many subscribers and customers as possible. So how are you going to keep track of all of them once your subscriber list hits a big number? Your email marketing efforts will become a mess. The real solution to this is to introduce an autoresponder series to your email marketing efforts. An autoresponder series is an email series that your business sends on autopilot to new and existing subscribers according to their actions and needs. Anyone with a functioning email marketing tool can create an autoresponder series, but that can fail miserably because creating an autoresponder series is a system. We have refined it into a simple step-by-step email marketing structure that you can use to set up a truly persuasive autoresponder series. Choose the right email marketing software. There are numerous email marketing services in the market, and you can lose a great deal of time and money if you are lured into trying them all to find out which is best. Luckily, we have two excellent choices for you. First, we have MailZingo. It is a self-hosted email marketing solution. We also have Aweber, which is a traditional online email marketing service. Choose a goal for your autoresponder series. There are 4 main goals of an autoresponder series, and you have to tailor your autoresponder emails to target one or a combination of these goals according to whom you are responding. The welcome sequence. These are the welcome and thank you types of messages that people receive right after they subscribe to a list or complete another action such as a purchase. The lead magnet. We talked about lead magnets and how they are used on squeeze pages to attract new subscribers before, and this is how lead magnets are delivered. You set up an autoresponder email that will send the freebie to the subscriber. Sales on autopilot. You can easily create a sales funnel using an autoresponder series. Depending on your business, you can send out offers, discounts, or informational videos where you make an offer. Upsells and cross-sells. You can send autoresponder emails to people who have already bought something from you to promote other stuff for them to buy. Segment your mailing lists. You have to segment your mailing list into smaller groups of subscribers if you want to get the best results. This means that you have to hand-pick subscribers based on criteria such as demographics, interests, income bracket, and other data, and send these people emails that are tailored according to their profile. Map out your email sequence. In this step, you have to outline your autoresponder sequence, such as how many emails are you going to send, how often, and the content of each email over time. To give you an example, here is a common new subscriber autoresponder sequence. Email 1, welcome and thank you email. Email 2, introduce the topic of your product. Email 3, an explanation of common problems solved by your product. Email 4, an explanation as to why subscribers need your product to solve these problems. Email 5, promote your product. And email 6, remind your subscribers about your product. How to set up a persuasive autoresponder series with MailZingo. Start on your MailZingo client dashboard and click on the Messages tab to select Autoresponder. Click on Create Autoresponder. You can create your autoresponder messages with either the inline or the plain text editors. For training purposes, we are going to show you how to use the plain text editor to create autoresponder messages. Name your autoresponder series in message name, enter a subject line, and your from name, which will be the sender's name. Choose your from and reply email addresses and click Next. You'll be taken to the email text editor. You can click Next after you create your autoresponder. In the following section, you'll be able to segment your list by selecting a category of subscribers from a campaign list. Make your choice and click Next. The following page will show you your current settings. In Sending Options, you can select to send your autoresponder email immediately or send it on a later date. Once you are done here, click on Set Autoresponder to finish. How to set up a persuasive autoresponder series with Aweber. Start on your Aweber dashboard, Place your mouse over the Messages menu and select Legacy Follow-up Series. Click on Create a Message. You'll have the option to create an autoresponder series using the drag-and-drop email builder, which will allow you to use templates to edit your emails, the plain text message editor to create text-only messages, and the HTML editor for advanced users. Let's use the plain text message editor for training purposes. Enter your subject line in the field above. Use the Personalize menu on the top left to let the autoresponder input subscriber data personalize the message, and create your message in the text field. Use the clip icon on the bottom left to insert an attachment if you have one. Click on Save and Exit when you are finished. You'll see that your new autoresponder message is on a content box to the left. Click on Send Options and customize your autoresponder series.